But I'm actually recording too, see? Yeah. 2 videos.
And I will be red. And I will be the red sussy.
I am the
Videos.
blue Firebird
He's the blue Firebird.
for this video.
He's wearing a blue shirt and he does not look like a bird that's on fire.
Hey, fuck you. So I hope you guys like my videos.
Like my videos too.
So tell me if you see anything in the
13.
woods. Okay? See you there.
I'm gonna be.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, what was that noise?
Wait, you heard that too?
What is that? There's shorts. I see shorts hanging in there. Oh shit. So that's our video today. Like and subscribe. We'll keep you up for more scary videos, but that's gonna be it because that is way too scary.
I'm gonna have to.
Ah! There's someone chasing us! Ah! We escaped from the woods. So
I will use the power of Sussy.
Peace out. Peace.
Wait, we're not.
But
done
like and
recording.
subscribe.
I don't
See you guys.